Porsche 911 GT3 991.1 on factory rolling dyno machine before test drive and shipping to dealerships. The 991.1 GT3 features a 3.8 liter direct fuel injection DFI flat 6 engine developing 475 horsepower at 8,250 RPM, a PDK dual clutch gearbox and rear wheel steering. The engine is based on the unit fitted in the 991 Carrera S, but shares only a few common parts. All other components, particularly the crankshaft and valve train, were specially adapted or developed for the 991 GT3. For example, the 991 GT3's engine uses titanium connecting rods attached to forged pistons in order to allow the engine to reach up to 9,000 RPM. The dual clutch gearbox is another feature specially developed for the 991 GT3, based on sequential manual transmissions used in racing cars. The 911 GT3 991.1 can accelerate from 0 to 60 miles per hour in 3.5 seconds or less, and the quarter mile in 11.2 seconds at 126 miles per hour. The GT3 has a claimed top speed of 202 miles per hour, and the lap time on the Nürburgring is 7 minutes and 25 seconds.